Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable HVCI for Valorant. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So currently on our computer we have Valorant right here. All we have to do is to close the launcher, and then from here we're going to go to our Windows and then write run and then click on run. And then from run we're going to enter this exactly msinfo32 and then we're going to click on OK. Once we are on MSN info, we're going to scroll down until you see this one right here, where it says exactly Hyper-V virtualization enabled in firmware. Click double OK, and as you can see, it's turned to yes, which means it's enabled, so there is no problem with it. To edit it, all you have to do is double click it, and that will enable it or disable it. Now, once it says yes, going to close it. Now, once you have checked that, all you have to do is go back to the start, and then from here, you're going to search for device security, and then click on it. And now from device security, it's going to show you these options. Go to core isolation details, and then make sure that the memory integrity option is switched to on. Once you switch it to on, this is going to help solve the issue, and the change requires you to restart your computer. So you're going to restart your computer, and you're going to restart Valorant, and that should help you fix it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.